Welcome to this week's home tour video. I'm Shannon Larson with eXp Realty in the greater Las Vegas area. This week, I'm out here at KB Homes' newest community in the southwest area. It's called Belcarra. We're going to be touring the model number 2469. It is 2,469 square feet. Depending upon how you spec it out, it can be 4 to 5 bedrooms and also 2.5 to 4 baths as well, and it has a 2-car garage. Now again, it is conveniently located in the southwest area, not too far away from the master plan community of Southern Highlands, and then also Mountains Edge as well. We're about maybe 15 minutes away from the famous Las Vegas Strip and also the Harry Reid International Airport as well. So conveniently located for shopping and dining. Now, before we get into anything, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you're always in the loop of the latest information and home tours that I do come out with. Without further ado, let's go ahead and enjoy the tour. you enjoyed that home tour. What a beautiful home. Southwest area is building up quite quick here. And they do have many models available as well besides this one. So if you want any other specific information, you can always go ahead and reach out to me directly. Again, thank you so much for joining me with this home tour, and we'll see you next time around. Take care.